parents. Like you see from industry, they retired at age of 58. Suppose in this place like Malda, the industries are there. So if a person is retired sitting in home, why don't you assign him a honorary request? Through a honorary request, you would say, sir, why don't you take monthly one class to share your case studies and experience with my student. If he's from a manufacturing industry or MSME industry, you can share the experience. So those like how you are bringing in your stakeholder, interacting with your stakeholder, alumni interaction. Do you conduct alumni meeting? Do the alumni has a forum to help the junior? All those things, stakeholders interaction is very important. Alumni case, it is a alumni extra file which will be seeing. Next, नीचे जाओ. वो तो मैं खत्म हो गया. अराउंड 35 फाइल्स आता है इसमें. Actually, let me tell you, student, you have to structure. One is professional club. Professional in the sense, if you belong to like I know you are from mechanical engineering, robotic में काम करते हो. MS आपका American Society of Mechanical Engineering वो एक है, जैसे हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में IEEE हम बोलते हैं. So student chapter of that can be created. That is branch specific. But in addition to this, that activities clubs, robotic clubs, then your AI club, like that. This is again curriculum related. In addition to this, sports club, literary club, music club, so many things are there. So you must get some earmark fund for that, so that the students, they do activities. There is a bylaws for that club. You have created a document that how secretary will be appointed, who will be advisor for that, and what are the basic structure of that club, and what are the basic club activities. So within this boundary, you have to work on that. So that bylaws or the club activities documents should be there, and election must be there, and a earmark fund should be given to them, and related activities should be noted in that. These are required, especially institute like yours, who, if you are here, then the students should be engaged. Professional societies and this thing, it is covered under that. It is covered under that. If you are in a, they write that they don't have MSc ASME, आप बोलते हैं ना, ASME club is not there, but this club is taking care of that. They write. Even if you don't, जैसे IEEE, unless there is 15 member of IEEE members, they cannot be. But if they are doing some like electronics club, this that they are doing, we say that this club is not there, but they are doing sufficient professional activities through this club. So. But that should be recorded. There must be a bylaws for that. I know you may not be having a bylaws. You may not be having a bylaws. How a secretary of that club will be decided. How, so these documents are required. You have to create a procedural thing. What is the objective of this club? What are the domain in which, suppose literally club start doing music, then music club should not exist. So their boundaries should be defined, and the process of selecting to this club, what is the membership criteria for this club are to be decided. So those documents are to be really created for this thing. So this is some basic information which I provided. But ये मान के चलो कि 35 files for department and 15 files for the. I kept my bag upstairs. Otherwise I could have shown. Maybe I have the document with me. Doesn't matter. This is because मेरे पास PG, MTech and UG Tier 1, Tier 2 कोई एक file खुल गया तो doesn't matter. But ये it is like that. Almost all 50 files you will be handling. So 55 handling is not easy. You have to really stock it in a proper way, prepare this document, and systematically you have to plan out your activities. And NBA is a prestigious thing. You must really look forward to that. Your program must be accredited. That is once you go through the process, this is a quality for you, for your student, for your institute. You must look forward to that. Actually, the National Credit Frameworks has come. Have you gone through that? And national education policy is also talking about multi-entry, multi-exit. There are levels. So any level, it has a equivalent formal level. So they can come in, they can go out. So let's say this construction worker, a mason, doesn't have a degree, but he's doing the masonry for last 10 years. Mason का काम कर रहा है, जो राजमिस्त्री बोलते हैं. The Rajmistri is doing the job. Now the Rajmistri wants to come and have to acquire this thing. So the skill in non-formal case, we look forward to the skill and competency. So the rubrics are to be more defined, not for knowledge testing, for skill testing. So that's the way it has to be emphasized. Your CO, POs are to be more towards, for formal sector it is projects. For formal sector it is project. So it will be like you are defining more assessment, more for project. In non-formal, for a normal course, that is more that type of, we say it is work-based learning. We say it is work-based learning. काम करते करते सीखना है. Non-formal में basically आप काम कराते हो and the knowledge is gained. So it is work-based learning. Even project-based learning is a slightly knowledge dominant. Here it is skill dominant. So क्या आप पूछना चाहते थे? What is that you want me to answer specific question? वैसे broad पूछने से तो मैं actually this non-formal is restricted to institute like yours. There is no because one is your board of apprentice. There are boards that who are dealing with the ITI systems. So they have a structure. But in your case, you are this the central government has, our Ministry of Education has board. We say board, BOAT, Board of Apprentice Training. In Calcutta also they have a institute, board. They are under this. So you people fall under that category. So they have a structure. They have a defined structure, you have to go through that. I am not very aware of what type of structures are there in that, but you have to go through that. But in a normal conventional diploma engineering institute and your engineering institute, they are AICT structures which are well defined. But the skill structures are decided by the board, BOAT. This is also Government of India, Ministry of Education. Their structure you have to see, how they clarify that. But what I was suggesting, like, even if you have been appointed as faculty of or trainer of a non-formal structure, do degree, PhD, this, that, come back to, if you want to switch to this, otherwise, DBHOG, जो concept था, you people are supposed to be part of that. Diploma in vocational, bachelor in vocational, PhD in vocational, our national credit framework is saying that. So you are supposed to be part of this vocational courses, diploma vocational, BTech vocational, MTech vocational, which are their structure. So gradually it will come. At this stage, country is not very well versed with that. That's why you have a problem. You might be feeling that way, I can understand, but you are nowhere less than any formal structure, let me tell you. And that is what National Credit Framework, which is now has come into picture, or one of the retired IAS officer, Kalsi Ji, was the chairman of that committee. It is in the website, you can see that. They have created 10 levels. How the tables are linked, you just check that. And now Professor Sahasrabuddhi Ji is also part of that. So they are looking into that. So National Credit Framework is available in the website. You go through it, then you will see that your requirements are there. So, and these formal people, they have to map with the credit framework. You are also have to map with the credit framework. And that is the bridge. Non-formal can come to formal, formal can go to non-formal. So the bridge is already built. Now only thing is that उद्घाटन बोलते हैं ना, इनॉग्रेशन होने वाला है. So otherwise bridge बन चुका है. कलसी साहब ने बना दिया है. He was a retired IAS officer who was given these tasks. He is very aggressive man. अच्छे बंदे हैं. ठीक है, तब we stop here. You need not feel bad for that. वो ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. ये सब bridge होने वाला है. Now you tell me tomorrow, BTech robotics. Who will claim that? Do you think that mechanical people only robotics may, only mechanical can handle? We take IoT, who will handle that? Which branch it belongs? So as we are moving towards multidisciplinary, you'll see that this boundary of this rigid boundary of branch will go. ग्रेजुअली ये होगा 5-6 साल में, आप देखना वो, इसलिए जो ट्रेनिंग टू डिग्री वाला कंसेप्ट में लेके आया था ना बिफोर लिविंग दैट चेयर, इट वाज फॉर दैट पर्पस, बिकॉज आई एम विजुअलाइजिंग that 5-6 years down the line there will no be rigid boundary. A electronics person will not be only working in the electronics, he will enter into computer science, he will enter into mechanical, he is entering into, so therefore मजाक में मैं बोलता था, मेरा डिपार्टमेंट अभी भी बोलता हूँ, civil engineering will be computational civil engineering, mechanical will be computational mechanical engineering, then only they will survive. Because all are going, industry 4.0 if you see or beyond, these are what? Automation industry with smart technology. स्मार्ट ग्रिड में डील करना है तो स्मार्ट ग्रिड में कन्वेंशनल ग्रिड अप्रोच नहीं होगा, वहाँ आपको ब्लॉकचेन भी आएगा, एआई भी आएगा. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू हैंडल दैट? ब्लॉकचेन इज नॉट टॉट टू कंप्यूटर दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, सो दे हैव टू लर्न ब्लॉकचेन. एक समय था स्काडा पीएलसी भी नहीं सीखते थे लोग, जब ऑटोमेशन, जब डैम में ऑटोमेशन शुरू हुआ पीएलसी स्काडा सीखे, उसके बाद अभी नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ ऑटोमेशन में है तो हमको ये भी सीखना पड़ेगा, स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी सीखना पड़ेगा. सो इसलिए हमारा जो डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, वी आर गोइंग मोर टुवर्ड्स कंप्यूटेशनल कोर ब्रांचेस. इट इज नॉट दैट कोर ब्रांचेस आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. एक कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर कभी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर नहीं बन पाएगा, वो तो वोल्टेज और ट्रांसफार्मर का पास मर जाएगा जाके, वो तो देखा नहीं होगा, छू देगा मरेगा जाके. तो हमारा जो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर थोड़ा कंप्यूटेशनल सभी होना है. So if they become computational electrical engineer, they are the best fit for the environment. So this is that bridge needs to be now taken care. So Kamal, we close here. Let them do their task. So you can disconnect and ask the center to do that. I'll do some activities here in Malda.
And sir, quiz result we have to show tomorrow or right now only?
Right now, because tomorrow there is lot of, because 4 center they will be presenting COPOs, so right now you show the quiz and quit.
Okay, sir. So the first question was, for 12 POs, how many COs are to be defined? And 61.8% participants have given the correct answer. It was 4 to 6. So second question was, is COs measurable? And 95.4% people have given the correct answer. Question number 3, COs are focused or centric on. 92% people gave the correct answer, student. Question number 4, COs are correlated with POs, and 88.6% people gave the correct answer. Question number 5, level 3 of Bloom's taxonomy is application. 81.1% people gave the correct answer. If COs has a statement of able to design, then the mapped PO will be, the answer is PO3, and 80.6% people gave the correct answer. Able to prepare laboratory report maps to which PO? PO10, 45.7% people gave the correct answer. Question number 8, the word strong, moderate, low, high is used in correlation. 91.4% people gave the correct answer. Rubrics is dash tool, that is direct. 83.4% people gave the correct answer. And the last question was faculty surveys dash tool, and it was indirect. 85.7.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you. So ask the ICT center to group their faculty and start doing the tasks.
Right, sir, right. So all the local coordinators, I have already emailed you the task 3 and task 4. So I request you to kindly please make a team lead from each department, and the tasks are already with you. So tomorrow sir will be discussing the same. So now we can log off, and we'll meet tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. sharp. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rajnish sir, by the end of the course, Patnaik sir will share the PPTs with me. I'll send it to everybody. And don't worry, the videos will also be there on the YouTube channel once the course is over. We'll edit that when we'll put it forward on the YouTube channel.
Kamal,
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
oh,
Right?
sir. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Kamal,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
they need not worry for resource material now.
Yes,
That
yes, sir. That is what I'm saying to them. We'll share
resource
it. We'll share it
material
with
will
them.
be shared through our channel only.
Okay, okay. So Rajni sir, don't worry. So all the videos will be available on our NCTL channel. After the course, we'll edit the videos and we'll put it on the YouTube channel.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Rajni sir. So to the local coordinators, kindly please make sure that you divide teams with as far as different departments are concerned. So all the participants who are connected, let's say civil, electrical, engineering. So divide teams, make a team lead, and then do the task. So tomorrow in the morning, there will be a thorough discussion on the same. And I don't want that you don't understand the task and sir is explaining the same again and again. So kindly please make sure that you're doing the task as prescribed by sir only. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. We'll meet tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. sharp.
क्या करके इसको स्क्रीनिंग